Hello guys, my name is Gurpinder. Today in this video, I will let you know how you can install Webgarh GTM Assistant app on your Shopify store. So let's get started. At the very first, log in with your Shopify store, click on settings, click on apps and sales channels, click on Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type for Webgarh GTM Assistant, select the app, click on install button. Once the app will be installed, you will be able to see three subscription plans. For the best tracking feature, we will recommend standard plan, but in this video, I will go with the basic plan to show you how it works. So let's go with the basic plan. Click on proceed. So now the next step will be connect your Webgarh GTM Assistant app with your Google Tag Manager account. I assume you already have your Google Tag Manager account, but if you don't have, please check out the video I have added in the description for the GTM account creation. So I already have it, so let's log in. Click on proceed. Select your Google account. Enter your password. Click on next. Click on continue. In this my Google Tag Manager account, only one account is there, so it is showing demo development account. But if you will have multiple account created on your Google Tag Manager account, it will be appear here. You can select from here and click on apply and proceed. Our app is fully automated. You will no need to upload any of the JSON file on the Google Tag Manager account. Our app will do it automatically for you. It will take few minutes, so please stay on this page until the process is not getting completed. Your GTM account is successfully connected. So now the next step is to install GA4 tags. I also assume you have already have your Google Analytics accounts and it's configured, but if you do not have it, you can check out the video I have added in the description for the Google Analytics account creation. So let one connect as I already configured it. Our app is fully automated. You will no need to import any of the template in Google Tag Manager, or you will no need to copy any of the code from the Google Analytics account and put it on your Shopify store. So our app will automatically do it for you. Your tag automatically publish on the Google Tag Manager account. So your GA4 account is connected successfully. Here you can see your standard tags are published successfully. If you want to check out the events, you can see my next video added in the description for checkout events. Thank you.